Hi guys, a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So this is one of my favorite festivals in India and I'm a big fan of Modak. So today I'm gonna share my mom's Modak recipe with you all. I love it. I hope you guys will also like it. So before starting with the recipe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that and also like this video.
The ingredients are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida, water, 100 grams of grated coconut, 1 cup of sugar or jaggery powder, 5 to 6 finely chopped almonds and ghee or vegetable oil for frying. So let's start. In a bowl, take your maida, which is your all-purpose flour, and add water little by little. Don't add a lot of water together because here we are going to knead the dough so that we get a soft, smooth dough. And don't add a lot of water together, otherwise your dough will become very sticky and we surely don't want that. So here we have a smooth, soft, non-sticky dough. So here I'm using a Vasud grated coconut. So you can use any grated coconut which is available near your nearest store, or you can even grate the coconut at home. So take the grated coconut in a bowl, add sugar into it. You can also use jaggery powder instead of sugar. So I made the next batch with jaggery powder, but unfortunately I couldn't take the video. So yeah, after adding that, add your chopped almonds in it and mix all the 3 ingredients together. So now our filling and our dough is ready. Let's move on to next step. So on a smooth surface, just sprinkle some wheat flour, which is atta. Now take the dough and knead the dough in such a manner so that you roll it into a cylindrical shape. Keep on adding wheat flour so that it doesn't stick on your hand. And once you do that, cut small pieces from the dough and make small balls from it. So here I have around 14 balls. Now let's move on to the next step, which is making the modak. So take the bowls, press them and sprinkle some wheat flour on both the sides, and with the help of a rolling pin, which is a balun, keep on rolling it with light hands obviously, and so you'll form a circular what do you call it? Okay, I don't know. So yeah, roll it into a circular form, so of around 4 to 5 centimeter in diameter, or of the size of your palm. Once you do that, add your filling mixture into it. 1 spoon of filling mixture is enough. And now we are going to give it the shape of a modak. So I'm showing this video in a slow motion so that you can see carefully how I'm doing it. So just take one end and keep on folding it on the inside. So it is like how you make the pleats of a sari. It is in that same manner. Just be very gentle with it, otherwise there is a chance of your floor tearing apart. So yeah, once you do that, just give it a light turn so that it is intact and your filling doesn't spill out. So our first modak is ready. In the same manner, make the modaks from all the other balls. So here my 14 modaks are ready. Now let's start to fry it. So take ghee or oil in a pan and let it heat. And now we'll start frying. So don't start frying until unless it is not heated properly. And because your oil is heated, so your modak will start turning golden brown immediately. So you don't let it rest in this manner. Just give it a slight turn so that it is fried and from all the ends. So you can see immediately it is has changes color. So just give them a turn on all the sides so that all the sides are cooked and you get the golden brown color all over your modaks. So I'm not using a lot of oil, otherwise you can use oil in more quantity so that the whole modak is submerged into oil. So you can either do that or you can use my technique of less oil. So our first batch is fried and your golden brown fried modaks are ready. So enjoy it, guys, and a very, very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you, your friends and your family. Stay safe.